What if you could generate cinematic videos, talking product ads, professional voiceovers, and full short-form content in minutes without paying for a single subscription and without any editing experience whatsoever? I tested 2 completely free AI video tools for the past 2 days, and honestly, the results made me feel like I was cheating. These tools are so powerful and so accessible that most paid creators have no idea they even exist. I am covering the first one right now and saving the most impressive one for the very end of this video. So do not skip ahead, because the last tool is the one that is going to change how you create content permanently. The first tool is called Symphony Creative Studio, and it is built and offered completely free by TikTok. Open your browser, search for Symphony Creative Studio, and open this exact link. I also left the link for you in the description so that you don't make a mistake and open a wrong tool. From here, click the Get Started button on the homepage. You will be required to log in using your existing TikTok account, so no new account setup is required. You will get different options here, but the QR code scanning is the easiest. Open it, then scan with your phone, and in seconds, you will be inside the platform. Once you are inside the dashboard, you will see the full suite of features available, including video and image generation, voiceover avatars, UGC product avatars, video translator and dubbing, and a built-in video editor. Take time to browse through the content made by others creators like you, so you get the feel how powerful this platform is. From what we are seeing already, I am convinced the videos are honestly great. Before we start generating anything, one important thing to know is that this tool currently produces vertical format videos, which makes it ideal for TikTok UGC ads, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, and general content creation. Horizontal video is not yet supported on this specific tool, but everything else about it is impressive. And that's why I have a second tool that will surprise you, which I will reveal shortly. You will be able to generate videos in any format, and videos come with native audio, and it's also free. To generate content, start by clicking on Video Generation. You will see different video options to choose from. Reference to videos allows you to upload products, characters, and scenes to incorporate in your video. Image to video lets you upload a still image and convert it to a video. You can also generate a video directly from text and even generate images from scratch. I will start with text to video. The video generation model available is Video 1.5 Pro, which produces videos with precise camera control and with native audio. For a 5-second clip, it only costs 5 credits, meaning each second costs you only 1 credit. You can generate videos up to 12 seconds, but for this tutorial, I will be choosing 10 seconds. Pause and we first do simple math. A free account comes with 1,000 credits, meaning for 10-second clips, you are able to generate 100 videos that come with sound for completely free, enough to blow up on social media. This is honestly unbelievable. This is where you type a prompt describing the scene you want the AI to create. For the first generation, I will type this prompt and hit Create. The generation is fast. It usually says between 1 to 2 minutes, but it actually takes less than a minute, so within moments your first video clip will be ready.
My doctor said this will help me reduce weight.
Hit Preview and watch the full result before downloading. Now let us test the Image to Video feature. Click on Image to Video and upload a still image you want to animate. I have uploaded this image of a lady with cat-like ears and butterfly-like costume. Once the image is uploaded, paste your motion prompt. You will see 2 options appear: first frame only, or first and last frame, if you want to control how the video starts and ends. For this tutorial, select the first frame only. Choose a duration of 10 seconds and hit Send. The AI will animate your still image into a fully moving cinematic clip in seconds. Not only videos, this tool also lets you create high-quality images from scratch. Paste your prompt into the image generation field, and you also have the option to upload a reference image if you want the AI to match a specific visual style. From there, choose your image model. You have 2 options, Flux Context or Nano Banana, and both deliver excellent results depending on what you are creating. The part that makes this even better is that image generation costs absolutely 0 credits, which means you can produce as many images as you want without any limits. Hit generate, and within moments, the platform will deliver 4 high-quality image variations from a single prompt. The results look like they came straight out of a high-budget studio product shoot, with professional lighting, strong brand composition, and detail that most paid tools struggle to match. Look through all 4 options, pick the one that stands out the most, and save it directly to your device. Now here is where you can take this even further. Click on Generate Video directly from the image you just created. Add a short descriptive prompt telling the AI how you want the scene to move and feel. For example, type, "The product rotates slowly on a sleek surface, soft light sweeping across it, subtle background bokeh, smooth cinematic motion." Hit generate, and let the platform do the rest. What comes back is a fully animated, professional-looking product advertisement built entirely from a still image and a single prompt, ready to post in minutes with zero production cost. Now here is one of the most powerful features in this entire tool, and most people walk right past it. Click on the Avatar section. This is where the Symphony gets truly impressive. You will see a library of both AI-generated avatars and real human avatars that can read any script you write. If you are building a faceless channel or creating product content without showing your face, this feature alone is worth knowing about. And find one that fits the style of your brand or content niche. Once you select an avatar, you can upload your own audio or type a script directly into the text field. Clicking on Save generates a preview before you decide to generate. Take note that the accurate lip sync will be after the generation. If the preview is good, click Generate. The avatar is delivered with realistic lip sync and natural movement.
Hey loves, so I woke up this morning, spritzed on my new perfume, and honestly, I haven't stopped smelling myself since.
This is great news for faceless creators. Anytime you come back, open the left panel and click on Assets. All your creations will be here in one place. Symphony also includes other powerful features you can explore in your free time. Imagine all what we have created. We didn't even use more than 30 credits. The second tool, and the one I promised to save for last, is Google Vids. In your browser, open the Google Apps Launcher icon and scroll down until you see Vids. This is Google's own AI-powered video creation platform, and it is free to access with any Gmail account. Once the project is open, check at the top right. You will see that the model is Veo 3.1, which means you can generate cinematic videos with sound for completely free. Videos can be generated entirely from a text prompt or upload an image and animate it. Unlike Symphony, you have full control over aspect ratio. You can select portrait for Reels and TikTok-style videos or landscape for YouTube and standard content. Let us start with a text-to-video generation from scratch. Click into the main prompt area and type this: "A warrior facing a giant dragon in the battlefield," and click Generate. Watch the progress indicator at the bottom as the platform processes your request. When the clip is ready, you can regenerate it or insert it onto the main window for preview. This also acts like a video editor, meaning you can generate multiple clips and add them to the timeline. This allows you to generate long cinematic videos without opening a video editor. Take a moment to look at the right-hand panel because this is where everything lives. You will see dedicated modules for avatar creation, voiceover generation, music, image generation, screen recording, uploads, and a full stock media library. Having all of these inside a single workspace means you can build an entire video from scratch without switching between multiple platforms. Everything you need is in one place. Let's preview the video. To download, click on File, Download, then save it as video.mp4. That's it. Both tools are free right now, and the links to everything I showed you today are in the description below this video. Go and try them today. Follow the steps exactly as I walked you through, and when you create something, drop it in the comments because I want to see what you build with these. If this video saved you money or opened up a new way of thinking about content creation, hit the like button right now because it helps reach more creators who need to find these tools. Subscribe to the channel because every week I am finding and breaking down the best free AI tools so you can create faster, smarter, and at a level that surprises people. I will see you in the next one.